everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video, we will discuss 5 hot penny stocks and my overall market thoughts. But first, if you want our free reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from insiderfinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms, no Telegram chat rooms whatsoever. With that out of the way, well, last night we talked about 7 penny stocks, 4 hot penny stocks, and 3 potential short squeeze plays. Well, 5 were winners today. Congrats to all who are banking. First up is CDIO. We talked about, had that big news pre-market last day of February. I said that it's hard to make money off these gappers on the first day. You need to wait for the second day, and that second day was today, and we got that huge move. The stock closed up 91%, but we are trading even higher in the after hours. We closed at 660 today, trading 780 in the after hours. I said what I really liked about CDIO was the 4 million share float, and the news was big. So you need all of this to come together, whether it's a short squeeze, low float. You need good news, strong PR to really keep the momentum going, and the company did deliver on the 28th. Company said that they launched the revolutionary blood test for early detection of coronary heart disease. This is huge news. Anyone knows heart disease, number one killer, heart disease or cancer. One of them is the number one killer, and you know, if you can detect it early, you can save your life. So again, this is huge news, and the stock is acting accordingly. So guys, as I said, you know what, on these first day, what you have a lot of people that were in the stock. The stock was trading at $1, gapped all the way up to $3. You're going to get a lot of, I hate to say weak longs, but you get a lot of profit takers that were, or if they were in this case bag holding because the stock was up higher, they just like, I want out. I was in this stock too long, so you just get a lot of weak hand selling. Once that selling is out of the way, then you get this next day move. We had this also happen in LHDX, which I'll talk about more here in a minute. BLBX continuing to run. I've been talking about this one since the weekend. Nice action here. The CEO bought $3 million worth of stock. I said that was a big move. You got the announcement. Gus Kepler, he bought 1.1 million shares at $3, 3.3 million stake. Big buy here, but then we got news today that the company retired 687,761 shares. So big news today, reducing the share count. This company is a cash cow. You look here, just trading really well, and you can go to blackboxstocks.com. They have a lot of tools for traders, and as I said, been talking about one of the reasons why the stock has been down is that overall, volumes, Robinhood, Webull, way down. People are not spending money on trading tools, but we think this year, especially as January was hot, February was a down month, mixed bag, but we had some winners here at InsiderFinancial.com. I think this year is going to be a lot of opportunities, but again, you got to swing these trades. You can't get, if you want to buy and hold something, buy dips, go buy the SPY or a big cap name that you might really like. Next up is TRKA. Nice action here. Closed near the high of the day, but guys, we need to take out 48 cents, which is the the day's high. We're trading right at the 200-day moving average of just under 46 cents. This is major resistance. We get above the day's high of 48 cents. This is will be a major breakout and blue skies ahead. So again, the shorts have been really coming in here. Now 40% of the float is short. It's probably going to be even higher tomorrow. The shorts are persistent, and like I said, I think as I've talked about over and over again, they're making the wrong bet on this company. They don't realize who they're going up against. Peter Coates, he just keeps buying this stock. He's a multi-billionaire. His family owns Bet365, which is I believe the largest UK online gaming company. He owns Stoke City Football Club. It's an English Premier League team. His net worth £9 billion, which is just a huge amount of money. So again, this is his stake in TRKA. This is couch cushion money for him. Next up, GTII, up 3 cents, 2% on the day. Consolidating right here, nice action here. Certainly, this is one, the shorts have been all over this one. We've nailed this one in the past on a number of spikes, but again, spikes, corrects, we're just waiting for the next spike. Again, this is, trade it, don't own it type play. LHDX, speaking of trading it, don't owning it, today was a perfect day to book profits. We got a new spike higher, ran right into the 200-day moving average of 130, couldn't hold that, and we closed at 79 cents. Guys, going to be hitting, LHDX will be delisted on March 6th. The company is filed for bankruptcy. For those of you that are looking to play this again, I would wait for it to hit OTC and play the first green day. OTC loves former big board names. Everyone that wanted to sell has sold. That's why you have to play the first green day. Don't play the red day. You got to play the first green days. OTC traders will come in. There's no sellers, and they'll rip it. So again, that is how to play LHDX when it gets the Q symbol and it hits the OTC. So that's what we're waiting here at InsiderFinancial.com for. In terms of the overall market, it's really hard for me to make the bullish case. We're trading right here at support, but it just seems like this market wants to go lower. I'm not bullish. I'm not position bearish. I just get that feeling. It's really just been... I know feeling is not an investment strategy, but again, looking at this, I just think we're going lower, and it's a lot of this has to do with a couple of things. First of all, you have weakness in the overall EV names. Tesla is a great momentum play. It really signals risk on sentiment. We got hit the low of 101.85, rallied all the way to over 200, just under 220. So 100% gain in 2 months. We're going to get some profit taking. We had the big Tesla Investor Day. Stock closed at 202, but we're trading 191 in the after hours. So again, you're getting some profit taking. Some people maybe not liking what they heard from Tesla Investor Day. We'll see what the price action brings tomorrow. And we're also seeing weakness in other EV plays. RIVN was down 18%. NEO, another name, down just under 6%. Stock breaking down here. A lot of people are in this name. Be watching this one here for a bounce. But again, right now, wait for the green. We want to play momentum, guys. We don't really want to be, throwing... good money after bad, on a lot of these plays that are going lower. So again, you could be averaging in, and then you get the bounce, and some people are just grateful that they break even or they lose less, little less, and then they just sell too early. In terms of these naked short war names, they just can't rally. This was these names were running in January again. Risk on sentiment. We got HLBZ ran, GNS. I don't want to do told you so, but told you so. These PRs were just gimmicks to goose the stock price. Trade them, don't own them. GNS filed a lawsuit today, against, toxic lenders, but the company signed this agreement. The suit challenges multiple aspects of the financing agreement, including that in exchange for lending $18 million to Genius, they signed the deal. They loaned them the money, to Genius, and now it's like buyer's remorse or whatever. CEO Roger Hamilton, he did this deal. Now he's saying the company is committed to protecting the integrity of its operations and the value of its shareholders' equity by investigating and prosecuting toxic lenders and market manipulators who violate federal securities law. Roger, you signed the deal with this company. So, I don't know what you want us to say. The stock price is where it is because of your actions. If you don't be signing these deals with these companies, and the stock price would be higher. So again, this was announced today, and the stock down 31%. So again, market not liking what they're saying and sort of realizing that some of this stuff is just a gimmick. HLBZ, another name. Don't even get me started on this name. Like the CEO was tweeting, we aren't diluting this week, trying to dispel FUD. Well, what about next week? So again, HLBZ, don't even get me started. Lastly, guys, Silvergate SI, this just hurts sentiment. Closed at $13.53, trading under $10, just above $9 in the after hours. Just bad news. The company is announced that it will delay filing its 2022 annual report on Form 10-K with the SEC owing to additional losses incurred and regulatory scrutiny. The company said while the company is working diligently to file its Form 10-K as soon as possible, it does not expect to do so by the extension date of March 16th. Overall, it said here the bank reported Q4 in 2022 results last month. However, after December 31st, 2022, it sold investment securities beyond what was disclosed, primarily to repay outstanding advances from Federal Home Loan Bank of San Francisco. Silvergate sold additional debt securities in January and February and expects to record further losses related to the other than temporary impairment on the securities portfolio. Again, this is the most heavily shorted name. 76% of the float is short. I just want to say that, just because a stock, there's a high percentage, doesn't mean that the shorts aren't wrong. Or that they're clueless. All you're trying to do is play the squeeze, but don't hold, because there is the possibility that the shorts might be right, and right now it looks like they're right on Silvergate. I mean, this stock has just been absolutely decimated. Last summer was 110. We're trading under $10. If you were trying to just completely keep betting against the short and just buying every dip, you have just totally eviscerated your account. Just play the squeeze. There was plenty of opportunities this year, since the beginning of the year to play squeeze, to play that short squeeze. But right now, I just don't see it squeezing any further. But again, when this stuff happens, you got a lot of retail traders in it, and they're getting hurt, which I hate to see. But again, guys, don't own these, play the squeeze. You got to play the momentum, play green, play the momentum. If it goes red, you got to get out. You got to use stop losses, and then also, scale out, take profits along the way. Just don't want to see anybody get hurt. Just trying to help you guys as much as possible. Again, I'm not a financial advice. None of this is financial advice. This is just trying to help you guys as much as possible. Speaking of that, don't forget, guys, to sign up for our reports. Click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Guys, it's completely free. We send out reports on only our best ideas. We won't flood your inbox. Lastly, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Well, guys, congrats to those that banked on the 5 plays from last night's video. No new ideas for today. We're just going to watch the market, see how it plays out. If we see anything worth acting on, we will send out an alert to your mobile or email if you are signed up. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.